Hello, today we will learn how to install WordPress on your account. Right, so the first thing you have to do is you have to log in into your account. So you click on this link, you land on this login page where you provide your username and password, sign in. The moment you sign in, you land on this account page where you click on the client area icon. Simple and easy. And as you can see, you have multiple options there. You can order web hosting, register domains, you can manage your web hosting, you can have look into your security details, edit your contact details, etc., etc., look into your invoice payment method, etc. The easiest way to jump into your hosting package is by selecting this, or you can click on this hosting button here and then click on the manage. The moment you land on your control panel, you will see that you have WordPress tools where you have WordPress install wizard, and you can also reinstall WordPress. As you remember in our last video, we have actually purchased a WordPress hosting product, and that's why we have WordPress tools just on the top. Although you can always prioritize according to your wishes. So if you want to put your web files folder up here, then you can do that, or your WordPress here. The good thing about Dell hosting control panel is you have your staging, which is your temporary website, and your real domain website together working actively. So you don't have to worry about propagating your DNS records. You can just start working on your website straight away. So you might have seen in previous videos how to set up your DNS name server records. So you can refer to that. But in this one, we will go and see how to install WordPress on our temporary website. So for example, if you want to see how the temporary website for irenol.com looks like, you click on this visit website link, and then you will be landed on the page. As you can see that this is the installation wizard for WordPress, which you could have actually reached from this WordPress installation wizard click here, or you could have actually checked it here from this installation recheck. Always remember, you don't have to create any database, you don't have to create any FTP accounts, you don't have to change any permissions for the files. With Dell hosting, it's super easy, like with just one click, and you will see how to install WordPress. So let's get started. Right, so you can choose your language here. I'm gonna stick with English, United States. Click on continue. Then you select your website title. Then your username. I would select my email ID as my username here. Then you can select a password, and then you can select again your email here. So I'm gonna just copy this. Search engine from indexing this site. I would like to have this site indexed in Google, so I would not select that. Click on the install WordPress button. That will start the process of installation. And here we go. You got your WordPress installed within just one click. Then you can log in here. You can provide your email ID and your password, and then voila, you can log in. So this is how easy it is to install your WordPress. And now you can also see how your WordPress looks like. You can click on this, and then you see Irenol. It's the demo WordPress theme already installed, so you can always change that. That's it. So straight to the point, one-click WordPress installation with Dell hosting. Cheers, enjoy.